Hey boys and girls, the Junkman here with another detailing related video. And this time I am in Boise, Idaho with Levi Gates.
Hey AJ.
Here at Hawks Detailing. Levi, tell the folks about your shop and yourself.
Well, we're located here in Boise, Idaho. I've been detailing here in the Treasure Valley for over 19 years. And about 4 years ago I started this shop with some friends, and it's been a great business venture. I've learned more about detailing in the last 4 years, I say, than I did the previous 15 years being in the detailing industry, just because I've had to run a business. And
that'll do it.
With that, products, tools, equipment, employees, the whole 9 yards. You know, we always try to continue to grow, push the envelope, and try and elevate the level of detailing, not only in the state but in the surrounding areas and in the U.S. and that's our goal.
Hey, that sounds pretty good. So for all you folks here in the Boise and surrounding area, you now have a shop that you can go to get some professional detailing done. Now, what we're going to do in this video is talk about topics from two different perspectives. I'm going to give it to you from the weekend warriors perspective, and Levi is going to give it to you from the professional detailer's perspective. I don't do this for a living, he does, but we both do the same thing, so we have two different ways of looking at things. The first topic that we're going to talk about is the tools we use. One of the tools being the polisher. Now, Levi, talk about some of the tools that you use as far as polishers are concerned.
Well, I really like using the dual action polishers. I've used rotaries for a really long time. Still love using those. But with employees and training new guys, it takes a lot of skill to use a rotary.
Yes, it does.
It's a trade. It's a craft. It's an art. To be able to run one of those.
Now tell me this, there are a lot of folks out there on YouTube who think that they can learn how to use a rotary just by watching YouTube videos. What is your opinion on that?
It's sketchy.
Yeah. See, I say no way. There's no way.
Yeah, we get the gamut of cars. We do a lot of wholesale work for dealerships. Some of the cars are going to go to auction. Some of them are going onto the dealership lots for sale. We've partnered with the dealership, so I train some of my new guys on a black car that's going to go to auction. You know, we can't really mess it up.
Okay.
But my guys they're not allowed to really turn loose on a car by themselves for quite a long time.
Like they do at dealerships when they let the in-house guys do it. There's no telling who is going to be buffing on your car. So if you're a smart person, you're going to take that to a professional and let a professional do that. Now, from a weekend warrior's perspective, you're not going to need a gamut of tools. I like using a dual action polisher like the Flex 3401 VRG. It gives me the cut that I need. And then once I get a car down to where it is perfect, from that point on, I'm only going to use an orbital polisher, something like the PC 7424 XP, to maintain that car. If you get your paint perfect, you should have no need to get really aggressive with it again. So that's the weekend warrior perspective as well as the professional perspective on polishers. Now let's talk real quick about the polishes that we use. Go ahead and give me your spiel.
I'm a big fan of Optimum products. I love using Optimum products, but I've used the whole range. I'll use Meguiar's. I'll use we've got a MVP here in Idaho, and that's one of the products that we use. They have a whole chemical line, and so as long as it works and it gets the results that I want, we use it in the shop.
Okay.
I'll use stuff from CarPro. I'll use stuff from, like I said, Optimum, MVP, Meguiar's. As long as it does the job that I need it to do, and it fits in our costs of what we need to do, because each car has a bottom line.
Right.
We have to make money on the business, and it has to continue to keep going. Then we'll do that. But I have had products in the past that I'll get and I'll use, and it takes too long. It doesn't fit in the time frame that we need. Now, I'll have cars where we'll do 30 hours in paint correction and restoration on it. I'll have cars where it just needs a 20-minute quick polish, because that's all they're paying for.
Exactly.
So I use all the different types of polishers and all different types of polishes, as long as it fits within the mold of what we need to do to run a business efficiently and profitably.
Okay. Now, as a weekend warrior, I've had a lot of companies, because of my YouTube videos, send me a lot of products. Do I need a lot of products? Not at all. What I tell a weekend warrior is to find a product that is best for you. And when I say best for you, I don't mean the best product out there. I mean the product that is best for you. If the product that is best for you is slap it on, wipe it off, and then run away, then that's the product you should buy. You don't want to buy a 20-step product if you're a slap it on, wipe it off type of guy. So buy the product that is best for you, not necessarily the best product out there. So that's from a weekend warrior. And the other thing that I like to tell guys to do is to find a product that works, then master it. Instead of trying 50 different products, find one that works and master that product. Like Levi said, there's a ton of products out there that'll get the job done. Since you're not in this for the business, find one that works, gets the job done, and master that product. You're going to get a lot better experience if you do that.
And that's the same thing we do here in the shop. Once I have a product that works and my guys know how to use it and they can use it really well, that's what we use. And we call ourselves the Masters of Shine for a reason. We want to be able to try and know everything we can about each individual product, each individual tool, and every type of paint.
Well, there you have it, folks. The view from the weekend warrior and the view from the professional detailer. All right. This is the Junkman, along with Levi Gates. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
And I guess I should say thanks for inviting me out, because I'm in his shop.
You're welcome.
But this is the Junkman and Levi shining out. If you really liked this series and you want to see more, you need to voice your opinion. Write it in the comments section. Give the Rag Company a call. Give Levi a call here at Hawks Detail.
Or email me at levi@theragcompany.com.
There you go. And again, let us know if this is something you want to see again.